Nestled in the bustling suburb of Grey Lynn, Auckland, lies a hidden gem lightly weighted. This two-bedroom home isn't your average inner-city dwelling. Despite being surrounded by other residences, it offers a sense of tranquility and escape. From its elevated position, lightly weighted surveys the city below. Its modest size doesn't compromise on style. The fluted concrete exterior gives it a sense of permanence, anchoring it firmly to the ground. But this robust shell hides a secret. As you approach, the house steps back, creating a charming courtyard bathed in sunlight. It's a clever use of space, bringing nature right into the heart of the home. Step inside, and you're greeted by an open and airy feel. Light plays a starring role here. The architects cleverly manipulated the building form to capture natural light throughout the day, while maintaining privacy. Exposed concrete walls act as thermal moderators, keeping the space cool in summer and warm in winter. The choice of materials is both beautiful and functional. Black floors and ceilings absorb excess light, while warm tile wood wall panels add a touch of nature. The stone bench, raised on a plinth, becomes a sculptural centerpiece. But the real magic happens overhead. See that long slot in the roof? It's a genius way to maximize natural light. This light scoop directs sunlight deep into the living areas, creating a constantly changing interplay of light and shadow. Lightly weighted challenges the traditional notion of urban living. It proves that a small footprint doesn't have to mean sacrificing comfort or beauty. This home is a prime example of how we can create functional and beautiful family spaces even in densely populated areas. By prioritizing an efficient floor plan, the architects created a home that adapts to your needs. The clever use of hidden storage and the multi-purpose courtyard garden maximize space and functionality. Lightly weighted is more than just a house, it's a vision for the future of urban living. It demonstrates how we can design homes that are not only beautiful and functional but also foster a sense of community and connection with nature.